Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness, aren't these beautiful, guys? Be happy. Oh, I just love these. Cute little plates, the mugs, little bowls. There's glasses right there. These glasses, the drink glasses, and I think these would be the orange juice glasses or wine glasses. The table mats. Oh yeah, so nice. Look at these. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh man, they have it all together here. Oh, look at this tabletop decoration. That's cute. Oh yeah. Great little finds over here, guys. Look at this with the lemons. Ooh wee. So we love options. Okay. So nice. We have a choice in the lemons and the lemon pattern and the bee pattern. Can't beat it, guys. Can't beat it. Alrighty. Okay, guys, let's move on. Items that's added for this week. To the left is the travel bottles. You get 3 for bath or shower, or bath and shower. They also have one with the spray bottle. And then we have the shower travel kit.
I like it.
It is a 5-piece here. Thank you. It comes in pink, clear, and blue and green. And the travel jars. You get 3 in here. Nice sizes too. Okay. They have them in the white with the white top. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, so we have about Crest Gillette Safeguard, mouthwash by Crest, Shave by Gillette, the foamy Gillette, and the 3D Crest toothpaste. And this one is the charcoal. You get 2-pack of the Safeguard soap, bar soap. We get deodorant by Secret, Outlast, sweat and odor. Pantene shampoo here, moisturizing shampoo. And this is the conditioner by Pantene. Head and Shoulders shampoo here. And Old Spice Pure Sport deodorant. Okay. So that's what's new here today at my Dollar Tree, guys. Not bad. More new items here at my Dollar Tree. The Sunkist smoothie bars. You get 10. Freeze and eat bars. Okay. Then we have the slush right here. The icy slush. Got cherry frost, blue raspberry, and fruit punch. The Downtown Spicy Brown Mustard. More Than Yellow Mustard here. And the Kraft Hickory Smoke Barbecue Sauce. Okay, lemon pepper marinade right here. Ooh, 16 ounces for this. A lot of herbs and spices. Okay. Gourmet beer can chicken seasoning rub. Then the grill mates here. Pasta salad. It's ranch and bacon. And we have Kraft mac and cheese. These are the shells. Okay. Brown sugar bourbon. Yeah. Okay. So let's move along, guys. And right here, guys, you get a 2-piece. It's the plastic scoop in this pretty blue. Oh, yeah. I only see it in blue. I'm not sure if they have it in other colors, but yes, you get 2 per pack. And right here are the 4-pack ice cream bowls. And they also have the spoon. How cute. So pretty. We have the pink one. And look at the cool sunglasses. The popsicle. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at the wine glasses. Oh, I love that. Okay, right here, decor pieces, 6-pack. You have the ice cream. Oh yes. The drinking glass and the pineapple. This is a 6-pack as well. Okay, I see the cups in green. The ice cream bowls, rather, in green as well. Then the stirrers, you get a 10-piece. Nice. Umbrella picks right here. You get 16 in this pack. Alrighty. Plastic tablecloths. Match this summer decor. This one is a rectangular. More stirrers here. A flamingo. Oh yeah. Nice little cups up here. You get a 2-pack for $125, guys, here at Dollar Tree. Paper straws. Cute are these. Oh, so cute. More glass, well, more drinking glasses up here. Oh, bottles, more drinking bottles. And I like these. Cute, cute. It comes in yellow, green, and red. They also have these with the little flowers at the bottom. Cute. Get a 4-pack of these, says Hello Summer. Yeah, really nice. Oh, look at this car back here. So cute. Tiki bar right there. Now what are these? Oh, these are candles. So, okay, you get 3 candles. They have them in green, orange, and pink. 3 for $125. All right, here, Dollar Tree. Right here, Jim Beam, here at the Dollar Tree, guys. Oh my goodness, bourbon vanilla. Oh my word. So this is ground coffee, and you get 4 ounces of this one. They also have Harry and David ground coffee. This is the breakfast blend, and you get 4 ounces of this one. How about that here at the Dollar Tree? Oh my goodness. Now here we have Centrum Women Multi Gummies. You get 170. Wow. Here at Dollar Tree, guys. Emergen-C Kids Immune Plus. You get 22 gummies. Great, great price, guys. Great deal. Here at Dollar Tree. Spa-scriptions for men. The Cucumber Hydrogel Under Eye Pads. Vitamin A, C, and E. 15 minutes eye therapy. You get 3 pairs. This is an eye treatment for men. Right here is the Aches and Pain Nighttime Relief Concentrated Mineral Bath Soap. Oh yeah. So this has ethylene salts, menthol, and lavender. And this is 2 ounces. Okay, right here is Crystal Waters Sage and Cedar Scent. Beautiful bath refreshing shower gel. Oh, okay. A couple more new finds here at my Dollar Tree, and I love it. Here we have feminine wipes with rose water. You get 7 per box. Okay, down here we have the Day Liners, organic cotton liners. You get 18 in this pack. So you get the Be Pure regular pads here with organic cotton. You get a 10-pack. It's here. Let's see. What's this? Cleansing brush wipes. Okay. OMV by Vagisil Bikini Anti-Itch Serum. What else we have here? Sure and Free. Disposable adult underpads. Okay. So, think there's only going to be one in here, guys, but this is, no, it's two. It's two. Oh, yeah. Great deal on those. Okay. So we have the super pads here. You get 8 of these. Oh, yeah. The flush cooling wipes. Yes. How many is in here? You get 15. You also have the cooling gel, cooling body gel lotion. Okay, and the cooling mist. Okay. Tampax pocket tampons here. You get 3. I only see it in a regular though. Okay, whitening dental strips infused with coconut oil. You get 6 strips. This is a 3-day treatment. Okay. Yes, and this one. Okay. Here, new nail polish by Sally Henson. So yeah, the instant dry. So they have that color, that pretty beige brown, and that purple or lilac. Then they have the extreme hard nails, and then hard as nails, the mega strength. Oh, how about that? Sally Henson here at the Dollar Tree. So pretty. Another great find, guys, is this cobweb duster. Oh, how about this? I like that. Not a bad deal. Okay, and right here, the Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths. You get a 2-pack. Another great find. And this right here is something I definitely need today. It's the drain cleaner and refreshener tabs. You get 6 per pack. Great finds, guys.